Oh my God. Top 5 Q&A. Quezon Province. Si Atisha, no doubt, ang ganda, no doubt. Though yung laugh line lang niya, pag malayo sa camera, parang gusumot na. Pero maganda talaga siya.
Women learn from each other. What is the biggest lesson that you've learned from another woman, and how did it improve your life? My grandmother put me through school.
Okay.
And the biggest lesson I have learned from her is to always be kind. She is someone who has a big heart and took care of me since I was a kid. And I do
Hindi relax yung mukha.
My grandmother is
super daming blink.
She is someone that is an embodiment of what a great woman is. Thank you.
Grandmother, sabi niya grandmother. Pero ang likot ng mukha ni bakla. Hindi at ease, hindi relax.